Hey, you guys, welcome to week 97. This week, like last week, looks a little bit different. We're here to just share a little bit of Christmas cheer with you this week.
Yeah, absolutely. It's that time of year where you spend time with family and spend time with the ones that you love. And so hopefully you're getting to do that as well. And I don't know if you've got anybody new in your household when you watch this, but to all of you, hello and Merry Christmas.
Yeah, so right now you're just going to get to see a special visitor that we had at our house that came to see us and the grandbabies. So we hope you enjoyed that. So as you can see, Santa and Mrs. Claus were the special visitors. Weston was familiar with them and interacted right away and just seemed to be pretty happy-go-lucky about it all at first. And then when it came time for individual photos, he wasn't quite into it. The girls, no, it was a no-go for them from the get-go. And then Bodie was just sweet and innocent and clueless and was pretty happy-go-lucky through it all. When it came right down to it and we tried to get family photos, you can see this is where the chaos happened. But all in all, I think we were able to create some cute, fun memories that we will have forever.
So hopefully you enjoyed that nice little visit from Santa and Mrs. Claus and just the fun of having them there. I guess the kids...
They're not sure what to think or
not at
expect.
The age yet, but it's okay. It's okay. I guess hopefully we created at least a good memory and not a bunch of negative ones. But it was fun for all of us involved because we want to establish some traditions in their lives. So.
Yeah. So for us, Christmas is mostly about being with our family. And right now, I just want to take the time to mention a special family member with you. And I'm going to get very emotional. This week, we had a little bit of a scare. And there was a traumatic event that happened in our family with a family member. And so luckily, his life was spared, and it just makes you stop and think about your family and how blessed you are to have them and to get to be around them. And we are so grateful that God spared his life.
Absolutely.
And
he's got a lot to go through. He's got some surgeries already behind him and some more coming up. So just keep Tanner in your prayers and in your hearts.
He's our nephew. Yeah, makes us both pretty emotional.
Yeah. You know, anytime somebody you love and care for, as many of you know and have experience in that, whenever they're going through some traumatic times and some tough times, then it just hurts your heart, especially this time of year.
Yeah. So, and if you guys have people that you would like for us to pray for, please put their names below and we will. So for us, we're asking for you to lift our nephew Tanner up in your prayers.
Yeah, and all the family members, of course. You know, it's really tough for mom and dad. And
his wife,
especially, and his wife, and you know those that are the closest to him. But we're all very tight family, so we appreciate that, and we do pray that you have a Merry Christmas and a wonderful New Year. And this is just a great time of the year to be together, and so hopefully you're getting to do that.
We will see you guys next week. We hope and pray that you guys all have a great time with your family and friends, and have a blessed and Merry Christmas.
That's right. God bless.
Merry Christmas from our family to yours.